Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to send USDT from Binance to Binance, so let's start. So first, let's go to Binance account and then let's go to this icon that says deposit. Just click here and then just click here on deposit crypto. Just click there. Here you can select the coin. So in this case, I don't have my account verified, so if you have your account verified, you have to select the coin. In this case, you can select USDT. Then you can select the network. That means that you have to select this important network for transferring or getting the coin. And then it will give you the deposit address. Just copy the deposit address or share the QR code that someone here to give you. And then just transfer coin to the account that you want. That's the way to do it. So as you can see, it's very easy, but first you have to verify your Binance account for getting this ready to use. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.